Yeah, we're rolling now, feeling alive. Got Sarah, Pete, Josh, and Dan, let's ride. Kim's with us too, under the sun so bright. With Steve, our guide, we're ready for the flight. Through the olive groves, the trails we claim. Single tracks twisting, never the same. Riding high on the dirt, wind through our hair. Laughs in the air, it's sunshine we share. Pete cracks a joke, makes the whole crew smile. Josh revs his engine, we're rolling in style. Dan's racing ahead, with Kim right behind. Together we conquer, leaving worries behind. Oh, we're riding with Steve, living the dream. In Andalusia's heart, it's more than it seems. From the trails to the lake, it's a journey so fine. With friends by our side, we're crossing the line. At the shimmering lake, we stop for a break. Jump in the water, let the coolness take. Kim's taking photos, capturing the fun, while Dan's making waves under the hot sun. Lunch at the villa, gathered around the table. Stories are traded, tales of the brave and able. Playing pool afterwards, laughter fills the room. With every shot made, letting go of the gloom. Oh, we're riding with Steve, living the dream. Andalusia's heart, it's more than it seems. From the trails to the lake, it's a journey so fine. With friends by our side, we're crossing the line. Tomorrow awaits a new ride to find. The thrill of adventure all intertwined. Through valleys and hills, we'll keep the pace. With Steve leading on, we'll conquer this race. Oh, sunset and low, painting skies ablaze. Each moment cherished in this wild maze. We ride with no limits, just the sound of the dirt and the joy of the ride. There's no room for hurt. Sarah cheers loud as the stars come alive. Together we're soaring, feeling so high. Oh, we're riding with Steve, living the dream. In Andalusia's heart, it's more than it seems. From the trails to the lake, it's a journey so fine. With friends by our side, we're crossing the line. So here's to the nights and the days filled with glee. With Sarah, Pete, Josh, Dan, and Kim, and Steve leading us through. Let the good times begin. Tomorrow we ride, let's do it again.